Hey everyone, I am Robert G. and this is the I Scoot Connecticut YouTube channel. Today we have a brand new model mobility scooter from Paiseec. This is the L5 and it's the lightest mobility scooter I have tested to date. The box seems pretty big for such a compact scooter, but hopefully that just means they added extra packing material. Let's just open it up and find out. Here's the owner's manual and quick start guide. Here is the charger. It's a 2-amp charger, which is more than sufficient for a mobility scooter. Please only use this charger for this scooter. Do not mix and match chargers. As I suspected, the large shipping box is due to the scooter being totally encased in large pieces of styrofoam. Bad for the environment, but really needed to make sure that the Paiseec scooter arrives without any damage. This is their 3-in-1 accessory kit. It contains a water bottle holder, tote bag, and dust-free cover. If you're going to buy an L5 scooter, check the Paiseec website first to see what free accessories you may be shipping with at any given time. I see right now they are also shipping a picnic basket. Here's everything out of the box. Let's get it unfolded and check that it's working. There is a little yellow lever. You need to pull the lever up to unfold the scooter. I'm going to use the NFC card to turn the Paiseec L5 on and off, but you can also use one of the 2 supplied keys. It seems to unfold and work fine right out of the box. The controls are a little different than cheap mobility scooters that you might see on Amazon, so take a moment to read the manual and get familiar with the L5. There is a knob to switch between reverse and the 3 forward speeds, plus an emergency stop button that is very easy to accidentally press.
Reversing. Caution, please. Reversing. Emergency stop engaged.
You can read on the Paiseec website all the features and functionality, but I will try and demonstrate some of them here. There is a front headlight. It looks kind of like a smiley face. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. You get a super bright taillight. This is important if you're riding outside. You want to make sure anyone in a car or other vehicle can see you. Paiseec also includes turn signals. I've never seen this before in a mobility scooter, but it's a nice touch and they're also very bright. Beep beep, here's the horn and a better look at the controls. Acceleration and top speed run in 3, 2, 1, go. Braking in 3, 2, 1, go. You cannot adjust the seat on the L5, but the tiller is adjustable in 2 ways. You can raise or lower the height of the tiller, and you can also tilt the tiller forward or back. Those 2 adjustments, along with the flat rear deck, make the L5 comfortable for a wide range of riders. Typically, these compact scooters feel cramped, but you do not get that feeling with the L5. Just make sure you tighten both knobs well after adjusting the tiller and also check them periodically. The obvious advantage and selling point of the L5 is how easily and compact it folds and unfolds. Let me demonstrate it for you here. Once again, do not forget about the yellow lever to release the folding mechanism. Any mobility scooter will perform fine outdoors or on flat surfaces, but let's push the L5 further. First up is a hill climb. I thought the motor would bog down, but it's pulling up this moderate hill with no issues and maintaining top speed. If you hear a clomping sound in the audio, it's just the wheels going over the sidewalk cracks. Now I will take the Paiseec L5 mobility scooter over grass, packed dirt, and crushed stone. The turning radius is not bad. Just make sure you slow down when taking tight turns. I'm in speed level 1 for this clip. The L5's battery is 24 volts and 10 amp hours. That is more than ample for what most users use a little scooter like this for. The battery is under the seat and you can remove it for charging or transport. Personally, I think the majority of owners, including myself, will be using the charging port on the tiller and never touch the battery. I hope everyone has enjoyed watching. This is not really a review video, but I wanted to show you my experience using the L5. It's the lightest mobility scooter I have tested to date, and it'll be great for traveling or storing in a tight space like an apartment. The L5 has a lot of high-tech features, and I would consider it a premium mobility scooter. Check out the Paiseec website for complete details, features, specifications, and the latest pricing. I'll leave a link in the description. If there's anything else you want to see, let me know in the comments and I'll do a follow-up video right away. Please subscribe and I'll have more Paiseec L5 and other mobility scooter content coming soon. Thank you.
Everybody's doing a brand new dance now. I know you'll get to like it if you give it a chance now. My little baby sister can do it with ease. It's easier than learning your ABCs. So come on, do the locomotion with me. You gotta swing your hips now. Come on, baby, jump up, jump back. Well, I think you got the hang. Now that you can do it, let's make a change now. Tug a motion like a railway train now. Do it nice and easy now, don't lose control. A little bit of rhythm and a lot of soul. So come on, do the locomotion with me. The locomotion, come on. The locomotion, come on. The locomotion, come on, do the locomotion with me. Move around the floor in the locomotion. Yeah.